Hello there. It's late afternoon, early evening here now, and the sun's getting towards going down. It's not normally a time I like to make my videos, but I wanted to try out something, so I thought I'd put it on camera and see how well I do. I've covered my canvas in black paint, quite thin this time, rather than my normal thickness of paint, so it's rather runny. And what I've done is I've got my toy leaf blower, and on the tip end of it I have put some blue tack or poster putty to make a little hole for blowing around like a straw. As I have found lately, I've been doing quite a lot of straw blowing, but I've been getting a bit lightheaded from it. So I thought I might see if I could do a similar thing, but with my leaf blower instead. So I'm going to put some pretty colours onto the black and then blow them around to see what I get. So I'll start now. happy with the way the colours have come out in that. The blowing was challenging, but I got there in the end, and I used my straw just a little at the end of it. So I'll just pop that up a little, give it a little bit more strength. Wow. I've just got myself a new toy, another torch. I ended up having to buy myself another torch as the other one just wasn't doing the job properly. So I've got a more powerful one now, and I'm just looking for little cells to come through and see what happens here. I'm using my favourite silver paint for this. So that is the reason why I'm looking for any cells that I can bring up. But now I'm going to bring this up closer to the light to show you, even though I haven't got much light left, I have got my ring light going. I hope it doesn't interfere too much with showing you this, but it's almost wispy, cloudy, beautiful. I'm so pleased with it. I love some of these techniques, particularly the blowing, and I try to find different ways of doing it. I'm loving the cloudiness with the orange and the silver in that, and then the sort of, I wanted the wispy red and blobs of red through the middle, and of course more of the turquoise in with the orange and silver on that side. And the black has made a really nice base for it, so that should dry really, really well. And there are a few small cells as well that are quite noticeable. So okay, well, that was fun, and that's it for me for this video. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.